Hello and welcome to Zarina's English Stories. This channel helps you improve your English through stories and speaking practice. Today, you will practice English speaking using a simple and powerful method called the shadowing technique. Shadowing means you listen to English and repeat the words immediately after the speaker. Try to copy the pronunciation, the speed, and the emotion. This method helps you speak more clearly, understand English better, and feel more confident. Now, I will tell you a story. Are you ready? Let's begin. The Little Bookshop. Bella lives in a small town. Near her house is a little bookshop. Every day Bella walks to the bookshop. She loves books. One morning Bella wakes up early. She drinks her tea. Then she takes her red bag and goes to the bookshop. The sun is warm and the birds are singing. When Bella arrives, she sees a new book in the window. The cover is blue and green. The title says, Magic Words. Bella smiles. She goes inside and picks up the book. The pages are soft and the words are easy. Bella reads the first page. She sees a sentence, Learning English is like finding treasure. Bella thinks this sentence is beautiful. She wants to be better every day. Bella buys the book and walks home. She is happy. She opens the book and starts to read again. Bella sits near the window in her small room. The little bookshop is behind her now, but the feeling stays with her. She opens the new book again. The cover is still blue and green. The words inside are calm and friendly. Bella reads one page slowly. Then she reads it again. She speaks the words out loud. Her voice is quiet, but clear. After some time, Bella feels tired. She closes the book and looks outside. People walk in the street. Cars move slowly. Life feels simple and warm. The next morning Bella wakes up early. She thinks about the book. She wants to go back to the bookshop. She wants to learn more. After breakfast, Bella takes her bag and goes outside. The air is fresh. The sky is light blue. She walks with a smile. When Bella arrives at the bookshop, the door is open. A small bell rings. Inside, the shop is quiet. There is a woman behind the table. Good morning, says Bella. Good morning, the woman answers with a smile. My name is Bella, Bella says. I like this book very much. The woman looks happy. My name is Emma, she says. I own this bookshop. I love books and stories. Bella feels comfortable. She looks at the shelves. There are many books. Some are old. Some are new. Emma comes closer. If you want, she says, you can read here anytime. Bella is surprised. Really? She asks. Yes, Emma answers. This place is for people who love learning. From that day, Bella comes to the bookshop often. She reads simple stories. She learns new words. She writes them in her notebook. Sometimes Bella helps Emma. She cleans the table. She puts books in order. She feels useful and happy. One day, Bella speaks English with a visitor. She is slow, but confident. She understands more than before. Bella smiles. She knows something important now. Learning English is not hard. It just needs time, patience, and belief. The little bookshop becomes a special place for Bella, a place of stories, a place of dreams. A place where learning feels easy. And this is only the beginning. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Zarina's English Stories. More English shadowing stories are coming soon. Thank you for learning with me. See you next time.